Hello student, I am Ramesh Vasa from science classes. Today I am going to start the 9 class chapters, and this is the second chapters and named force. And in force I am going to discuss about rest. What is rest? Rest means a body is said to be at rest when it does not change its position with respect to surrounding, is known as rest. Like as a student are sitting on a bench and at rest positions with respect to their surrounding. Okay, rest means a body is said to be at rest when it does not change its position with respect to surrounding. A body is said to be at rest when it does not change its position with respect to surrounding. It means a rest object does not change its position. Like as a student are sitting on a bench at rest position with respect to the wall, with respect to the whiteboard, with respect to the surrounding. Okay. Example: a man sitting on a chair. Motion. Motion means a body is said to be in motion when it changes position with respect to surrounding. Like as vehicles are running on the road. Like as a person and walking in a street. That all are in motion because they changes their position with respect to surrounding. A body is said to be in motion when it changes its position with respect to surrounding, with respect to their surrounding. A body is said to be in motion when it changes its position with respect to surrounding, is known as motion. Like as a vehicle running on a road. A vehicle running on the road is in motion. Another, force. In this chapters we have to discuss about force. Then what is the force? An external agent which change or try to change the position of body is known as force. And this definition tells that it is an agent which may change the object or may not. It means when we apply the force on the wall, then it does not change its position, and it means there is a force, and that force try to change the position of wall, but does not change. But there is a force exert on the wall. And what is the force? An external agent which change or try to change the position of an object is called force. Its SI unit is SI unit is Newton. Its CGS unit is dyne. And we already know 10 to the power 5 dyne is equal to 1 Newton. 10 to the power 5 dyne is equal to 1 Newton. And force is a vector quantity. Okay, after this I am going to discuss about effect of force. Then what is effect of force? Effect of force means when we apply force on the body, then which type of the changes occur in body. Like as after application of force, the body changes position from rest to motion or motion to rest. Another, it changes the speed of the body. Like as when a body is moving with 10 meter per second, and after application of the force, its speed becomes 15 meter per second. It means there is a change in speed. Another, it changes its accelerate. Another, it changes the shape of body. Like as when a body in one shape, but after application of force it changes its shape. Like as effect of force. Force can change the change the position of the body. It means from rest to motion and motion to rest. Second, force can increase or decrease. Force can change the speed of the body. Another, force can change the direction of the body. Another, force can change the shape of the body. Like as first, force can change the position of body. When the body are at rest, then after application of force it comes in motion. Or when the body are in motions, when we apply force in opposite directions of the motion of the object, then it stops. It means change in position of the body. Another, force can change the speed of body. Like as a body is moving with a 5 meter per second, and after application of the force in the same direction, its velocity becomes 10 meter per second. It means its speed changes. Another, force can change the direction of the body. Like as a footballs and coming toward me, and after applications, after kicking, it changes its direction. It means it is due to the application of force. Another, force can change the shape of body. Like as if I have a pieces of paper, then after application of force, and it changes its shape. Like as we have a majestic box, and after applications of the force, and it shape changes. In this way, that all are the effect of force. Okay, student, another day I will discuss about the another topics, and this much for today.